right, futures are mixed a little bit here this morning, but still edging to the green here. S&P futures up 0.24%, Dow futures just about flat, but down 0.08%, and the Nasdaq futures holding higher here by 0.54%, so just over 0.5%. As mentioned, we did set a new all-time high yesterday, and it looks like, at least in the pre-market here, we might see some continuation of that past the open. We did have the initial jobless claims on deck for today, but with the government shutdown, we will not be getting that data print here today. Let's take a look at some cues from the last session here. Gains in sectors like healthcare and utilities on Wednesday contrasted with losses in materials and financials as major indices recovered from a sluggish start to end in positive territory. The move higher followed Tuesday when stocks capped their strongest third quarter since 2020. The S&P 500 notched its first record close above 6,700, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained to post its second consecutive record close. For the time being, Wall Street appears to be overlooking the anticipated economic consequences of the government shutdown. The reality here is that it's really the length of the shutdown, not the fact that it's shut down. And with this only being day 2, seems to be some more time. Remember, some stats that we gave yesterday, the average length of all government shutdowns is 8 days. The potential for a significant impact on growth increases with the duration of the shutdown, particularly for businesses that depend on federal government's regular operations. From an economic perspective, the shutdown coincides with a precarious moment, as highlighted by Wednesday's closely watched ADP monthly employment report that Michelle had mentioned earlier. The data showed private payrolls unexpectedly fell last month, with the private sector shedding 32,000 jobs, missing forecasts that called for a gain of over 50,000. If we take a look at what's going on here, the Trump administration has reportedly warned that the shutdown could cut $15 billion from weekly GDP and leave 40,000 people or more jobless if it lasts an entire month. After the Senate rejected completing the government funding bills from both Republicans and Democrats on Wednesday, the next opportunity to hold a vote will be on Friday. The chamber will be out today in observance of the Yom Kippur holiday. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond ticked down again here, yielding 4.1%, and the 2-year bond yielded 3.54%.